I'm Betty, and today we're going to create a makeup look using the new BEAUTYSTA brushes from Lifestyle. We're going to create a smoky eye look using autumnal tones. First I'm going to use this brush to put a shade over the lid. This angled brush really helps to apply it, especially on yourself at home. And using the fan brush, I'm going to get rid of the excess powder. Today we'll be using this brush to apply the foundation. I use this brush two ways. Today I'll be using it to apply the foundation, but sometimes you can actually use it to help take excess off. Again, this brush is good because it's also at an angle. I'm using this brush to add a bit of highlight. And this brush adds, it has no shimmer, but it's still a highlighter, just for under here. And finally, a bit of blusher with this brush. So I pre-lined your lips. Really, with this brush that I'm going to use, you don't need to because it's got a very fine edge. So you can actually just do it yourself with the lipstick. There we go, and this is our finished look.